siya. Hold. Hold. Start. Dalawa ka ah. Hindi, oh.
Ipot yung caller.
Joey, engage on the front on 3-1, 3-2-1. Engage on the front now, boys. Then go back. Go back now. Very enigmatic are too late, but our DPS is too late too. Yo, go back in the front. We do one more engage. 50% of the gate. 50%.
Ano ginawa mo ngayon?
50%. No, one more. Do you have your peace fight?
Hindi mo na.
Cleanse only.
Hindi ko
Hindi ka na nakatiman.
AFK.
You're ready. Yo, on the front, 3, 2, 1. On the front now, boys. On the front. See the caller. Oh. Yo, help the front. Bigta mo yung clown. Sa akin yung enemy. Yo, come back. One more. 10 seconds, okay? 10 seconds. No, let's go back. Second lead. Come second lead.
Taka na yan.
Second lead, di pa.
AFK si Kupal!
Hindi tayo abot.
Utangin na!
So, be ready. Yo, OC now if you have. OC now.
Wala
Ulit na naman, AFK tapos.
Wala, hindi ko alam yan, tangina.
OC now, boys. Sige, flank mo lang likod. OC now. Wala akong clamp maker kasi palit na lang kami.
Pwede akong maglagay ng vacuum.
Wala ka.
Kanya lang, wala akong ano ah. Sabihin mo, iba-vacuum ko.
Hold lang.
Ano na kalaban niya? Ayaw ka back inside.
Yan na.
Kamba. Yo, Q this case on the front. Q the guy hammering. Just Q the guys hammering. Yeah, get ready on the gate in 3. One on the gate now, boys. On the gate. Get ready, defense up. Get ready. Just Q again.
Walang any gas, hindi any gas.
Wala.
Fine, they engage. Q them again. Heal the front, boys, heal the front. Osin now, Q. Q the guys on the front, Q only. Get ready on the front in 3, 2, 1 on the front, boys, on the front. Now come back. Come back, go inside, boys, go inside.
Forte. One more engage. Kamalong guys, sir.
May debuff pa sila.
That's fine.
May revelation na dyan.
Get ready in 3. Hold. Naya per shot. Defense up. Get ready. On the front. 3, 2, 1 on the front, boys. On the front only. On the front. In the middle. Kill this guys. Now come back. We come back, boys. We come.
Hindi talaga tayo makakapatay niya.
Masyado maluwag yung ano.
Boys, pag nakita niyo napakalalim ng caller, lagi labasin niyo. Huwag kayo matakot. Wala kang engage yung kalaban nun eh.
Defense up, boys. On the front. Defense up. They miss. Walk in. Everyone walking. Q them, boys. Night elves. Q them. On the courtyard, boys. Get ready. Deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now, boys. Deep now. Finish the kills. Nice. Nice, boys. Then spread. Just spread here. Spread. Take space, boys. here. On the courtyard, take space. Get ready your potion. Spread, boys. Spread only. Defense up. Belt not good. Nice. Keep healing. Q this guys, boys. Q this guys. Keep healing. On the gate, get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Delete all these guys, boys. Delete all these guys. Nice. Q them. Everyone Q them. Walk with them outside. I'm dropping Judy. Walk with them outside, boys. Q this guys. boys. Q this is. Now come back for the cheaters out. Come back for the cheaters. On the back, boys. Q them. Just keep queuing them. Keep queuing them.
Kapay na healer.
Yeah, catch them, boys. Catch them.
Girl.
Yeah, catch the 7-2, guys. Catch.
Girl.
On the choke, boys. On the choke.
Ayos na ako. Meron na akong pang extra.
May AJ shot.
Full catch, boys. Full catch.
Tangina, pinarm na namin. Putang ina.
Huwag mong dikitan.
Pinarm na naman namin mga kupal. Palay tayo na.
Uy, pupa.
Pwede ba?
Dito sa akin.
Yeah. Yo, go to the ping if you're...
Bobo.
Go to the ping, boys, if you're not chasing.
Tay mo ka.
Tangina talaga to.
Patay na, Shib.
Patay na.
Bagal
May nabot pa
yan.
isang locus.
Bagal.
Yo, go to the ping.
Kaya bully ko na to.
Ako yung sa malapit yan.
Tingnan mo
Ay, ina nyo
sa akin.
Ishib. Saan punta, sir? Ano, sir?
Ah,
Ano
sir.
namatay?
Sir.
Tangina, lumit.
Dito na ako, sir.
Uy! Grabe ka naman.
Dito na ako, sir.
Baka nakachamba
Huli
ko
ka,
na.
sir. Ano, sir?
Wala ulit ang... Ay, minachamba. Ay,
Yo,
talaga rin.
groups, boys.
So,
Go to the war chest.
Sir. Sir, mavel ka, sir, no? Uy, huli ka, sir.
Siyempre, meron ka tayong pang-alay.
Uy, grabe slow yan.
Nice.
Diba?
Go to the war chest, boys, if you have loot.
Mas mahal to eh. Yung isa.
Ako lang nalot ko yung Claret pero yung katuan yung dito. Nakuha mo pa iba doon? Isa ba?
Bad pa, dahil na lang ako nito.
Ah.
Ah, sige, puntahan.
Subog talaga kay Pat, babe.
Bad babe yan.
Warat ba, Jeff?
Kita na naman sa killboard.
Putek!
Uy, titarecho pala tong ano eh. Claret eh.
Nakunin mo to.
Trade me if you have loot, Ski.
Trade nyo lang ako.
Trade pa no, Ski, kung may loot kayo, Draven. Ano, dito sa war chest.
Ito muna ako. Isa mo. Gusto mo ba?
Guys, yung mga nagtatabi, huwag masyado, ano. Masyadong madami yung hit, ano, rating.
Ay, sorry po.
Kung pwedeng wag muna kayo mga kapag yan.
Guys, sa recording oh. Naka-record, naka-open mic. Nako po, kay Outkeeper.
Bumalik sila suki.
Eh kung mamaya, kung sino mag-rat, pasensyahan tayo.
Shibi mo, pag
Hindi
kumawa
naman,
na.
kumbaga, syempre, alam nung iba na nangrarat kay, yung ibang, ano kung lahat ng rarat, di ba?
Shibi mo kumuha ng 3 item, pero 7 pala kayo.
Pag ganitong panalo naman po, ano, full rigger na.
Hindi, sa rigger naman. Nagbibigay naman tayo rigger. Uy.
Kung may iwasan lang. Maginom lang kagabi, sir. Yan.
Go me up.
Ganda kasi kayo loot, guys.
May point.
Wala yung talaga.
Boys, spread a bit, huwag ka mag-vlog masyado. Pero lapitan nyo lang sa castle, huwag masyado malayo.
Nag-game B yung ano eh, helper, pinumabot.
Yeah, not good. You almost died there. But, good cleric. Ano yun? Nice.
Hindi ba basagin to?